ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। What is the prakaranam? Avidya Sutram has started now. Page number 294, first word, Anya Asau. So that is the one. Anyo Asavanatma, Mattaha Prathag, Anyo Ahamasmi, Adhikrito, Maya Asma, Rinivat, Pratikartavyam, Iti Evam Pratyah San, Upaste. अन्यो असौ अनात्मा मत्तः पृथक अन्यो अहम. This is different from me. Different from me means anatma, other than atma is anatma. Mattah pruthak. Anyo aham, I am different. Anyo aham asmi. Adhikritah. Adhikrita means, see tippani, adasiya upasane. In any karma or upasana, I am adhikari. I am supposed to do this. Then, maya asmai rinivat pratikartavyam iti evam pratyaya. What is his pratyaya? What is his thinking? I am rinavan. Maya asmai rinivat pratikartavyam. Like a rini person, how he should do offerings to devatas, pitras. Like not devata pitra, in the drishtanta, like somebody has taken dhan rina. So he will be rini. He has to make offerings. Like that, I am rini towards devatas, towards pitras. I have to give my rina to them. Iti evam pratyaya. भेद अभिनिविष्ट चेता. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. भेद अभिनिविष्ट चेता. भेदेन अभिनिविष्टो चेतो यस्य सह भेदाभिनिविष्ट चेता. चेतस शब्द means in his mind, Bahuri. In his mind, this is deeply ingrained. But remember, he is a Vaidika. This pratyaya will be there only for a person who is a highly Vaidika person who will give importance to Vaidika karma above Laukika karma. He will seek Vaidika samadhan above Laukika samadhan whenever possible. Such a person will have this pratyaya, I have obligation to devatas, pitras, etc. If someone says, this pratyaya is never there for me, I am not one who has to do some kartavya. For that person, this situation is not there. But for that person, gati beyond this world is also not there. Means at the most he will come back only to this loka manushya sharira. because he has not done any Vaidika karma. No Vaidika karma, no Pitraloka. Karmana Pitralokaha. Vidyaya Devalokaha. So neither of those lokas are available because he has done only samadhanam in the laukika way. Adjust this, adjust that, move this here, that, that's all. Evam pratyaya san upaste. When he does upasana, then tika tasya mulam aha न स इति वाक्य न स इति न स इत्थं प्रत्ययो वेद विजानाति तत्वम् इत्थं प्रत्ययः पुरुषः इत्थं प्रत्ययो यस्य सः इत्थं प्रत्ययः this adhikari purusha who carries this thought, I have to do this to devata, I have to do this to pitru, means imagine nobody does this now. There was a time when you had such people. Now people have only this. I have to meet this secretary here in this government department and this officer and that manager and mera ye kaam ho jaye, mera wo kaam. This is all that success they want. Or at the most, I have to meet this doctor. I have to get this doctor's blessings. I need that doctor. No devata, no pitru, nothing. So they want some common, basic, very basic things. So that is even inferior to the one who is discussed here. If this person is the one who for whom is Avidya Sutra, for Uttam Adhikari is Vidya Sutra, for this Adhikari is Avidya Sutra, then others, even Devatas will say, I don't want this person. At least this person who does rituals, Devatas want them. And Devatas say, he should stay with me because he does offerings. So I don't want to lose him. If he takes sannyasa, I will lose him. Because every morning he is doing Agnihotra, every morning he is doing Sandhya Vandanam, everything. The other fellow who criticizes Devatas, who criticizes Vedas, or doesn't criticize but doesn't do anything. And Devatas say, it's good you take sannyas only. You are useless for me. So for them, Mahavidya Sutra will be there, I think. Purvajanma karma upasanas are good. So if such samskaras are there, then in this janma also he will have Shraddha. Like Nachiketa, you see, at very young age, Kumar Avastha means 5 years it was said. But he had Shraddha in the Vedas. He knew that if father is doing this Pitodaka Jagdatrana cows, they are not going to help. He will go to Anandanamate Lokaha. Immediately he interfered. So those sanskaras became Jagrat on this nimitta. So if somebody has Purva karma, good karmas, Astikya buddhi, all of that will come. It will help. Veda Itham pratyaya Veda vijanati tattvam na vijanati in this way. न स वाक्यांतरम अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. Not only that, न स केवलम एवं भूतो अविद्वान विद्या दोषवान एव किं तर्हि यथा पशुः गवादिः वाहन दोहनादि उपकारैः उपभुज्यत एवं स इत्यादि अनेक उपकारैः उपभोक्तव्यत्वात् एकैकेन देवादीनाम्. न स केवलम एवं भूतो, not only he एवं भूत of this type, अविद्वान अविद्या दोषवान एव, he is avidwan, avidya doshavan is avidwan. Kintarhi, not only this, he is a pashuhu. Yatha pashuhu gavadi vahana dohana आदि उपकारैः उपभुज्यते. Pashuh gavadihi, like gavadihi, what do they do? Vahana, dohana. So some pashu is useful for as a vahana, like ashwa. Gavadi, they are useful for dohana. Upakarehi upabhujyate means he becomes upakaraka or he does palanam of his swami. एवं सह इत्यादि अनेक उपकारैः उपभोक्तव्यत्वात् एकैकेन देवादिना. एवं सह, in the same way this one, इत्यादि अनेक उपकारैः उपभोक्तव्यत्वात्, through yaga etc. he becomes upabhoktavya of devatas. So he supports devatas, he makes offerings to devatas. टीका. सो अविद्वान एवं उक्त दृष्टान्तवशात् पशुरिव देवानां भवति तेषां मध्ये तस्य एकैकेन बहुभिः उपकारैः भोग्यत्वात् इति योजना. सो अविद्वान, सचेन अविद्वान, एवं उक्त दृष्टान्तवशात् पशुरिव देवानां भवति, he becomes like a pashu for devata based on this drishtanta. तेषां मध्ये तस्य, तेषां देवादीनां मध्ये तस्य अविद्वद अविद्वत् पुरुषस्य एकैकेन पुरुषेण बहुभिः उपकारैः, each one is going to make so many offerings every day. Upakaraihi bhogyatvat. So he becomes bhogya of this person. Bahubihi upakaraihi bhogyatvat. Person will become bhogya and devata will be bhokta. Devata will be experiencing. Yes. Iti yojana. Like how in Bhagavad Gita it is said, Devan bhavayatanena te deva bhavayantu vaha. So he will make offerings to Devata. The Devata will bless him. Devata will strengthen his position because he is strengthening Devata's position. So parasparam bhavayantaha shreha paramavapsyatha. This is how Srishti was created. Sahayajnaha praja srishtva urvacha praja. So Devatas are for this purpose, that position is for that. Astik Manushyas are meant for this. This is how system was created. The one who doesn't follow this, he is breaking this cycle. That's how it was explained in Gita 3rd chapter. पशुसाम्ये सिद्धम अर्थम कथयति. अतः पशुरिव सर्वार्थेषु कर्मसु अधिकृत इत्यर्थः. And therefore he is pashuhu iva. He is like a pashu. Sarvartheshu karmasu adhikritaha ityarthaha. अथ अनेन अविद्यासूत्रेण किं कृतं भवति इति अपेक्षायाम् अविद्यायाः संसार हेतुत्वं सूत्रितम् इति वक्तुम् अविद्या कार्यं कर्मफलं संक्षिपति. अनेन अविद्या सूत्रेण, by this अविद्या सूत्र, किं कृतं भवति, किं कृतं मीन्स किं प्रयोजनं भवति, किम उक्तं भवति, व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव इति अपेक्षायाम् अविद्यायाः संसार हेतुत्वम्, अविद्या इज संसार हेतु, अविद्यायाः संसार हेतुत्वं सूत्रितम् इति वक्तुम् अविद्या कार्यं कर्मफलं संक्षिपति, अविद्या कार्यं कर्मफलम्, all कर्मफल इज अविद्या कार्यम्। एतस्य हि अविदुषो वर्णाश्रमादि प्रविभागवतो अधिकृतस्य कर्मणो विद्यासहितस्य केवलस्य च शास्त्रोक्तस्य कार्यं मनुष्यत्वादिको ब्रह्मांत उत्कर्षः। All this portion we can go fast because of two reasons. One is this is all avidya sutra. This is within the sphere of avidya, the person who is actually not interested in coming out of avidya. We all are also, if we say we are in avidya, at least we are not the one who wants to remain in avidya. We want to understand Brahmavaidam agra asid tadatmanameva avet am brahmasmi iti. And for that's why Atma iti eva upasita Atma Chintanam we are doing. So we are the candidates for Vidya Sutra. And this Karma Adi Prakarana, anyway we are far from what is the way how it was, right? All the rituals. And you will see how what father has to do to his son, he tells that you have to do this. So as long as this is not related to us, it is good portion, it is easy portion. Etasya avidushaha, this avidwan who is varna ashramadi pravibhagavatah adhikritasya, the one who is part of this varna ashramadi vibhagavan, adhikrita purusha, adhikari of karma, vidya sahitasya, karma and upasana. Vidya sahitasya kevalasya cha, karma with upasana, karma alone without upasana. कर्मणः विद्या सहितस्य अधिकृतः केवल कर्मणः अधिकृतः च शास्त्रोक्तस्य, but that कर्म उपासना is शास्त्रोक्त, शास्त्रोक्तस्य कार्यं मनुष्यत्वादिको ब्रह्मांत उत्कर्षः, मनुष्यत्वादिको starting from मनुष्यत्व up to ब्रह्म, ब्रह्मांत उत्कर्षः. ठीक है. कर्म सहाय भूता विद्या देवता ध्यानात्मिका शास्त्रीय, सकार इज मिसिंग, शास्त्रीय शास्त्रीय शास्त्रीयवत् स्वाभाविक कर्मणोपि द्वैविध्यं सूचयितुं च शब्दः. इन भाष्य शास्त्रोक्त विपरीतस्य च स्वाभाविकस्य कार्यं. शास्त्र उक्त एंड शास्त्र उक्त विपरीत मीन्स स्वाभाविक कर्म कार्य मनुष्यत्वादिकः एव स्थावरांतो अपकर्षः. सो उत्कर्ष इज फ्रॉम मनुष्य अप टू ब्रह्मा मीन्स बिकमिंग ब्रह्मा. मनुष्यत्वादिको ब्रह्मांतः, मनुष्यत्व आदिर यस्य उत्कर्षस्य स उत्कर्षः मनुष्यत्वादिकः, ब्रह्मा अंतो यस्य उत्कर्षस्य स उत्कर्षः ब्रह्मांतः. तो आदि इज मनुष्यत्व स्टार्ट अंटिल ब्रह्मा. दिस इज शास्त्रीय. विपरीत मनुष्यत्व आदि का है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मनुष्यत्व बट गोइंग अप टू स्थावरांत. सो दैट द्वैविध्यम सूचयितुम च शब्दः. तत्र तु सहकारिणी विद्या नग्न स्त्री दर्शनादि रूपा इति भेदः. तत्र तु मीन्स इन दी स्वाभाविक कर्म सच्चिंतनम is called upasana. Like there also there is shastriya karma upasana. Here it is swabhavika karma upasana. Upasana means chintanam. So such kind of pratisiddha karma, all of them are given here. कथं यथोक्तं कर्म फलम अविद्यावतः स्यात् इति आशंका आह. How this kind of karma phalam will go to an ajnani इति आशंक्याः. यथा च एतत् तथा अथ त्रयो वावलोका इत्यादिना वक्ष्यामः कृत्स्नेन एव अध्याय शेषेण. So how he will get this karma phalam, ajnani will get. He says this is what we are going to talk about now. यथा च एतत् तथा, how अथ त्रयो वाव लोका इत्यादिना वक्ष्यामः, that there are these three worlds. वक्ष्यामः कृत्स्नेन एव अध्याय शेषेण. Until the end of this adhyaya, this will go on. टीका. सूत्र द्वैविध्य सिद्ध्यर्थम विद्या सूत्रार्थम अनुक्रामति. सूत्र द्वैविध्य सिद्ध्यर्थम, for the siddhi of vidya and avidya, there are two sutras. Vidya sutrartham anukramati. So he starts with Vidya Sutra. विद्यायाश्च कार्यम सर्वात्म भावापत्तिः इत्येतत् संक्षेपतो दर्शितम्. विद्यायाः कार्यम दर्शितम्. विद्या कार्यम is all shown. What? सर्वात्म भावापत्तिः इति एतत्. This was shown in संक्षेप. संक्षेपतो दर्शितम्. Somebody says maybe there are more than two sutras. Vidya Sutra, Avidya Sutra, some other sutra. Tika. Sutrantara Shankam Varayati. There is no other sutra. There are only two. Sarva hi iyam Upanishad Vidya Avidya Vibhaga Pradarsanena eva upakshina. Sarva hi iyam Upanishad Vidya. All this Upanishad Vidya, iyam means if you say this, Brahadaranyaka. Vidya Avidya Vibhaga Pradarsanena eva upakshina. There are only two Vibhaga. Vidya, Avidya. There is no Tritiya. Now whatever is said here, same you can say for Ishavasya. In Ishavasya also there are two Vibhaga. Vidya, Avidya. So from Kurvanneveha Karmani and ninth mantra, Vidya, Avidya, Samuchaya, Sambhuti, Asambhuti, Samuchaya, Hiranymayana Patrena, all of that is Avidya Vibhaga. Vidya Vibhaga is Ishavasyam and then Andham Tama, not Andham Tama. Asuryanamate Lokaha. Asuryanamate Loka is Ninda. So it is for Stuti of Vidya. And then Tadejati, Tannajati, Ityadi. So Ishavasya has two Vibhaga. Mundaka also has two Vibhaga. In Mundaka, all the person who does Apara Vidya, the karma, etc., they are discussed. And then the person, Pariksha Lokan, Karma Chitan Brahmana, then he comes to Paravidya or Vidya Sutra part. And then Jnana Upadesha is there. And for all the other, he is Dandramyamana, Pariyanti Lokaha, Andenaiva Niyamana Yathanda ityadi. This is Mundaka. So Isha, Mundaka. Then Prashna. Prashna Upanishad. First, Prana, Rai, all discussion, different Upasana. First three Prashnas. Fourth Prashna, there is some mention of Chidabhasa, etc. Then fifth and sixth, they are for Jnanam. So there also Avidya, Vidya discussions. Avidya Sutra, Vidya Sutra. Chandogya, first 5 Adhyaya, majority of it is Avidya Sutra. After that is Vidya Sutra for Jnani, what he should do. So in these 4 Upanishads mainly, Isha, Mundaka, Prashna, Chandogya and Brahadaranyaka. This Vibhaga is very clear. Vidya, Vidya. Katha, Kena, Kaivalya, Mandukya, majority of it is Vidya. Some upasanas are there, but those upasanas, they are not for loka prapti or some other thing. They are only for tuning the personality so that immediately that person is ready for jnana. Like in Kena, whatever that upasana is there at the end. But it is mentioned, so you can say there is Vidya, Vidya Vibhaga. In Katha, upasanas, very briefly they are mentioned, Pranava upasana. And otherwise it is mostly Vidya. There is no upasana prakarana as such in Katha. Kaivalya, there is nothing for Avidya. It is only Vidya Sutra. Mandukya, primarily Vidya only. So in this way, you can say 8, 9 that Pranava, Akara, Ukara, Makara in brief. But all Karika and all focused only on Vidya Sutra. So in this way, and in Bhagavad Gita, this is how it is said. Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam, Karma Yogena Yoginam. Lokesmin Pura Prokta. So there also Dvividhanishta. 2 prakara. Here also 2. Vidya, Vidya Sutra. कथम एतद् अवगम्यते तत्राह यथा च एषो अर्थः कृष्णस्य शास्त्रस्य तथा प्रदर्शयिष्यामः. Bhagavan Bhashyakar's statement that this is the artha of the entire Shastra, tatha pradarshayishyamah. In Bhagavad Gita Bhashya, in many places you will find, yatha cha ayam arthaha, tatha vayam pradarshayishyamah. We will show you. That there are only 2 options. Either you keep doing karma, or you take karma sannyasa and study Brahma Jnanam. There is no third option. I am in transition. Is a transition period. Don't keep it too long. Manushyanam avidyavatam deva pashutve sthite phalitam aha. Manushas who are in avidya. Manushyanam avidyavatam deva pashutve sthite. Those who have the deva pashutva. Devanam pashutvam. Deva pashutvam. Deva pashu, this shabda is also used for another in another context. But here it is literal, Deva Pashu, Devanam Pashu. Yasmat evam tasmat avidyavantam purusham prati deva ishata eva vignam kartum anugraham cha iti etad darshayati. यस्मादेव तस्माद अविद्यावंतं पुरुषं प्रति देवाः ईशते एव. Devatas are, they desire. ईश धातु ईश ऐश्वर्ये, to rule over, to possess. So they do that. Ishateva vignam kartum, and they are capable also, and they desire to do this also. Vignam kartum, anugraha kartum cha. Both they will do. Etad darshayati. यथा हवै लोके बहवः गो अश्वादयः पशवः मनुष्यं स्वामिनम् आत्मनो अधिष्ठातारं भुञ्जीयुः पालयेयुः एवं बहुपशुस्थानीय एकैको अविद्वान् पुरुषो देवान् full stop. Full stop means you mark in whichever way, comma or something. With that sentence ends there. Just as in the world, a person who has bahavaha go ashwadaya, lot of cows, lot of horses, etc., pashavaha, manushyam swaminam, atmano adhisthataram bhunjihu. They serve the master, who is the adhisthata. Bhunjihu palayahu, means they are doing palanam of the manushya, who pashu. Pashu doing palanam of devata means they nourish him, they support him. Generally, people think this Manushya is nourishing the Pashus. Here what is given? See the Vakya. Go Ashwadayaha is in Prathama. Manushyam is in Dvitiya. Bhunjihu Palayeyuhu. Go Ashwadayaha Manushyam Bhunjihu. Evam, in the same way, Bahu Pashusthaniya Ekaiko Avidwan Purushaha Devan Bhunjihu Palayehu. एक एक अविद्वान पुरुष, each one अविद्वान पुरुष is बहु पशु स्थानीय, like so many pashus, and he supports devata, he offers things to devata. देवान इति पदम पित्रादि उपलक्षणार्थम भुनक्ति पालयति इति. देवान, this padam is पित्रादि उपलक्षणार्थम, देवान पितृन etc. टीका. एतत् पद एतत् दर्शयति. तत्र प्रमाणत्वेन उत्तरं वाक्यम् उत्थापयति एतदिति. किमिदम् अविद्यावतो देवादि पालनम् इति आशंक्याः. आशंक्य वाक्य तात्पर्यम् आह. हाउ दिस अविद्यावान देवादि, किमिदम् अविद्यावतः देवादि पालनम्, हाउ ही डज देवता पालनम्. सी इन भाष्य. इम इंद्रादयो अन्ये मत्तो मम ईशितारो भृत्यो इव अहम येषां स्तुति नमस्कार इत्यादिना आराधनं कृत्वा अभ्युदयं निःश्रेयसं च तत्प्रत्तं फलं प्राप्स्यामि इति एवं अभिसन्धिः. इमे इंद्रादयः अन्ये, all these Indra and other devatas, mattaha mama ishitaraha, they are the ishita, they are the rulers of me. भृत्य इव अहम येषाम, I am their servant. What should I do? Stuti namaskara ityadina aradhanam kritva. He does aradhanam of them through stuti namaskara, yagadi, etc. Abhyudayam nishreyasancha tat prattam phalam. Abhyudayam nishreyasancha tat prattam phalam. Prattam, so prattam is pradattam. There is a sutra. Do dad ghoho. Do dad ghoho. So any ghu sanyak dhatu, like here, da is there, da and dane. All such dhatus will have ta, like, so there is anuvritti of this in the next sutra. Achaha upasargat taha. That sutra tells. If there is a upasarga, which is ending in aj, so like here, pra, then taha will come at the end. Ta will come. So here, dattam, pradattam, all of them, they will have this upasargat taha. Dalopa is not separately mentioned. अजंताद उपसर्गाद उत्तरस्य दा इत्यस्य घुसंज्ञकस्य त इति अयम आदेशो भवति. प्रत्तम, अवत्तम, नित्यम, परित्तम इत्यादि. प्रत्तम जुहोति, दृष्टांत is given there. Number I gave 7, 4, 46 and 47. So dattaha is also there. Dattaha, dhitaha, such will also be there. But if upasarga is there, prattam, here you should understand as dattam only. Meaning is that this sutra comes there. So pratta shabda is found based on this sutra. 7, 4, 46 and 47. Phalam prapsyami iti evam abhisandhihi. Evam abhisandhi means in this way he thinks. Abhisandhihi avidyavataha purushasya iti sheshaha. So this avidyavan purusha thinks in this way only all the time, that I will get this, I will get that. Ekasmin eva ityadi vakyam adaya vyachaste. Next vakya is ekasmin in the mantra. Tatra loke bahupashu mato api yatha ekasmin eva pashau adiyamane vyagradina apahriyamane महदप्रियम भवति तथा बहुपशु स्थानीय एकस्मिन् पुरुषे पशुभावात् व्युत्तिष्ठति अप्रियम भवति. Just as in the world, person who has lot of pashava animals, even if one pashu is taken away by vyagra adi apahriyamane mahad apriyam bhavati, he becomes very sad. My one pashu is gone. I had 5,000, now I have only 4,999 pashus. Tatha In the same way, this ekasmin purusha, one purusha who is a bahupashu sthaniya, ekasmin purushe pashu bhavad. In that manushya pashu bhava is there. So if he does vyutthanam means sannyasa. Tika manushyanam pashu bhavad vyutthanam apriyam. Vyutthanam vyuttisthati means sannyasa. Apriyam bhavati devanam iti sthite. Kincha किंचित्तं देवानां बहुपशु अपहरण इव कुटुंबिनः. Then what to talk of this for the devata whose bahupashava apaharana happens, as if like for a grahastha kutumbinah, many pashus are taken away. This is equivalent to that. So lot of people studying Vedanta, they don't like it. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.